Currently winds are from the north at about 28 miles per hour. Heavy snow. Probably have 5 inches already, plus the 4 that we got this morning. 9 inches so far. Maybe another 5 inches to go. Can't keep the wind. Trying to keep the window mounted off here, but as you can see across, I'll turn it around. This is what we got. This is what I'm dealing with. I'm going to put my weather radio on here so you can get some latest updates. We're currently sitting in Independence, Iowa, on our way 20 miles north along 150, travel not advised, to rural Hazleton, Iowa. And off we go if I can get out of the parking lot. Get a big drift in front of me. But I've got my trusty shovel. Here we go. Getting out of the drive is a pain.
Miles an hour. Wind chill readings 15 to 12. Wednesday night, mostly clear. Bitterly cold. Low 10 to 15 below. West wind 5 to 15 miles an hour. Wind chill readings 20 below to 30 below zero. Thursday, mostly sunny. High around 15. Southwest wind 5 to 15 miles an hour with gusts to around 25 miles an hour. Lowest wind chill readings 25 below to 35 below zero in the morning. Thursday night, partly cloudy. Not as cold. Low 0 to 5 above. Southwest wind 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts to around 25 miles an hour. Friday, mostly cloudy with a 20% chance of light snow. High in the lower 20s. Friday night, cloudy with a 20% chance of snow. Not as cold. Low 15 to 20. Saturday, mostly cloudy with a 20% chance of snow.
Now this is outrageous.
High in the upper 20s. Saturday night and Sunday, mostly cloudy. Low 10 to 15. High in the lower 20s. Sunday night, mostly cloudy with a 20% chance of snow. Low 5 to 10 above. Monday.
Currently in the middle of Independence here. Almost got to have the wipers on constant just to get by the blowing snow in the windshield. But as I said, currently in Independence, Iowa right here. If I get home, I probably won't. Probably get stuck. Hey, I'm just leaving. Just getting out of the parking lot was a chore.
Yeah.
This is unreal. And I'm not out of Independence yet.
You're not?
No, I'm still inside Independence. It's unreal. And I'm getting.
They don't get off until 9 o'clock, so that, or 10 o'clock.
Do what now? Oh, no, he's not. No, he's not.
So I'm hoping you're hoping that.
No, he's not going to go out there because he's going to get stuck. He doesn't got the right kind of car to get out there because the truck's going to get stuck. But visibility here in town is probably 2 blocks. But I'll be home here in probably an hour. That's what it's going to take.
Yeah. Okay.
I'll give you a call.
Drive carefully and pay attention.
Well, I am. I'll get my video camera going here too. So, but I won't be. I'm never messing with that when I'm driving.
Okay.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye. That was actually the way and my wife telling her that I was just leaving. Honestly, it does not look like I'll be making it through my gravel roads at home. This is just in town and it's unreal. Take a right turn if I can get. I'm not stopping. See if this night vision changes it at all. Yeah, it changes a little bit, get a little bit light. We'll go to night vision. What you're seeing now is night vision, as they call it, Night Shot Plus. Kind of wish I had a plow like this guy has on his plow in front of my car. Go, getting ready about a mile from the north edge of town. Visibility right now is probably 3 blocks in town.
Extremely dangerous. Do not travel. If you absolutely must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle. Repeating.
Always seem to have a blizzard at night.
In effect until noon Wednesday.
They don't seem to ever have a blizzard in the daytime.
In Iowa, Black Hawk,
It just seems to always have this blizzard at night, and I can't get good video.
This is a blizzard warning for the following county.
Here's the
Glennon
information.
County, Iowa. Blizzard warning remains in effect until noon Wednesday. A blizzard warning remains in effect until noon Wednesday. Snow, heavy at times, will continue tonight and into early Wednesday. Very heavy snowfall rates, over 1 inch per hour, will be likely across much of the area between through 2 a.m. early Wednesday morning. The snow will diminish to flurries after 10 a.m. Wednesday morning. Snowfall totals from this afternoon.